So often in life, people tell us what we can't do. You can't cross the street. You can't get that job. And you definitely can't fly. The first time I flew my drone, I was hooked. Once you change your perspective slightly, everything looks different. Looking down from above, the world looks beautiful, majestic, and peaceful. Everything is new again. Shapes and colors appeared that I never knew existed. Human movement takes on a rhythm. The way we work, the way we play, the changing of seasons, the power of weather, and the beauty of a sunset. It still doesn't mean that I won't stop experiencing these things up close, on the ground. Only next time I'm going somewhere, I'm bringing my drone to take a better look.